Hi, this is Lee Phillips. I'm an attorney, but I want to talk about taxes for 2 seconds. What I see is people, they go along, they make their money all year long, they don't really think about it, they don't plan this transaction with the tax aspect in mind, and at the end of the year, they just hand the accountant all of this stuff. That's not the way it works. You have to plan out your taxes all year long. I think it's a joke at the end of the year when you read in all of the magazines and online and everything 10 tax tips. Well, I got news for you guys. In order to take advantage of at least the good tax stuff, you've got to be working on it all year long. So it's something that you have to understand. I go through it in the 10 tax tactics, at least 10 points anyway. But these are things that you don't do at the end of the year. You do them all year long. And you need to get in the habit of thinking when you do a financial transaction, what's the tax aspect of this transaction? And if you do that all year, you create the numbers that you give your accountant at the end of the year. Now, I understand I'm not giving you a lot of real practical tax advice, but this is a mindset that you've got to have. And unless you have this mindset, you don't really plan your taxes. You just give your numbers at the end of the year to the accountant, and he puts them in the computer and spits out your taxes. There's no planning in that. You've got to think, what happens when I buy a new piece of equipment for a small businessman? A real estate investor. How do I make this a repair instead of an improvement? Even individuals. How do I make this qualify under my 125 cafeteria plan? How do I do this? How do I do that? And you have to think of this all year long. Doing it December 15th ain't going to help you. Just a thought on taxes. Now get the 10 tax tactics. Just hit the thingy below. And don't forget to subscribe because we put out new emails, new YouTube videos all the time. And actually often I'll send out email alerts and stuff. You don't get those because I don't get your email address when you subscribe. So if you actually want emails from me, and I don't spam you, I never sell emails or anything. If you actually want emails, send us an email or go to the website, legalese.com, and just register for the emails. And I send out one a week, I try, but it's more like one every other week usually. But it's a tip, a hint, or some such thing. And like I say, I don't spam you. You get one every other week or one a week if I'm lucky. And so don't worry about that. We don't sell it or any such thing. This is Lee Phillips. We'll catch you next time.